Question number 51. Strongest acid among the following is. In this question, we have 4 options given here, and in all these options, you will identify that acidic substances are given. If we consider option 1, 2, and 3, these 3 options consist of carboxylic acid derivatives, while in the option 4, we have 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, that is picric acid, and that is also acidic in nature. It means we have to just compare the acidity, and on that basis we have to choose strongest acid. So if we want to find out the strongest acid among all of these, what we have to check here, we have to check pKa value. Lower the pKa value, higher would be the acidic nature. So in this case, let's check the pKa values for all these. Now let's check the pKa values for these acids. The pKa value for this case is 2.83. Now after this we have the second case, 4-nitrobenzoic acid. pKa value for this case is 3.43. Then we have orthomethyl benzoic acid. So it has the pKa value that is 3.91, and then the pKa value for picric acid, it is 1.02. So if you look at the pKa values, you will identify that this picric acid has least pKa value. It means it is the strongest acid. What is the reason behind that? If we talk about this picric acid, the anion formed after donation of proton by this picric acid is stabilized by resonance, and that is why it has the strongest acidic nature in among all these given compounds. So now the correct answer for this question is option 4. Let's check next question. Now question number 52. Major product P of the given reaction is. We have a certain reaction that's given here, and in this reaction, the substance that we are taking here as the reactant, that is an ester. And what's the reagent here? The reagent is diisobutyl aluminium hydride. And we know that diisobutyl aluminium hydride is a reducing agent, and that always results in the formation of aldehyde when it is reducing ester. So when ester is reduced by this Debal, definitely aldehyde would be formed. Let's check what will happen here. We have this substrate that is ester. The reagent is the reducing agent. And definitely there's the formation of an aldehyde as the major product. This would be formed. And that's why we can choose aldehyde from the given option. Let's check where this aldehyde is given. This is the major product. So it's given in option 3. That's why I'm choosing this as the correct option. And after this, it's a turn for the next question. Now question number 53. Consider the following reaction. We have the reaction sequence that's given here, in which product A is formed and further product B is formed. In this case, first the reagent that we have here is NaNO2 and HCl at a very low temperature, and amine is there. It means this is a simple reaction of diazotization, and further it is reacting with phenol, and there's the formation of another product, that is B. So in this reaction sequence, there are 2 reactions which are taking place. One is diazotization, and further the next reaction is the coupling reaction. Let's see what's happening here. First we have this amine, aniline, and diazotization is done. And we know that it's done at very low temperature. That's 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, and there's the formation of the product, that is diazonium salt. And then what will happen? This is the product A, and this product A, when reacts with phenol, basic medium, there is the coupling reaction, and that coupling reaction results in the formation of this is the product that's formed here. Now let's identify the product. This product is given in option 3. So I'll choose this option 3 as the correct option, and that's why the answer is also option 3. Now after this, let's check next question. Question number 54. When benzamide is treated with bromine in the presence of aqueous KOH, then the end product is. A clear hint is given that you are treating this benzamide with bromine in the presence of aqueous KOH. What is this reaction? That is Hoffman bromamide degradation, and that always results in the formation of amine. So we have benzamide first, that is CuNH2 at benzene ring. Now this is benzamide, and what you are doing here, you are just treating it with bromine in the presence of aqueous KOH, and then the product formed would be, the final product we are talking about, it would be aniline. That's an amine. And let's choose this where it is given. It is given in option 2. And that's why the answer for our question is also option 2. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move on to the next question. Now question number 55. The product formed when nitrobenzene is treated with zinc dust and aqueous sodium hydroxide. So this is the reaction in which the substrate that we have is nitrobenzene, and we are treating this nitrobenzene with the reagent that is zinc dust, the first one, and aqueous NaOH, sodium hydroxide. And when this reaction takes place, always the formation of hydrazobenzene would be formed there. So the formula for that hydrazobenzene is the structure. I'm just drawing here. This would be the structure, and this can also be written as now. Let's choose the correct answer. This is given here in the option 2, and that's why you can easily choose the correct answer. That is option 2. Basically, to solve such type of question, you should remember the effect of a particular reagent on a particular substrate. Now, let's move on to the next question.